Hey guys, we made it to the Marineland of Florida, established in 1938. Checking things out. It's all dolphins. I've been seeing dolphins so much the last few days. And check out my YouTube for some dolphin video. Look at those breakers coming in. You finally see the ocean. What do you think? I see sand down there. I don't know if we're gonna go for a walk in the sand. It's starting to rain. But definitely we will be back tomorrow. It looks like you're having quite a time. Palm trees, Christmas decorations, and 5 to love parrots. We're starting to get rained on. We're gonna head on back. Let's go. Merry Christmas, parrots. Check out this Christmas tree. This is the Marineland Marina. So right across the highway is the beach. There's motor vessels. See us over here. The parrots are taking a good look of their surroundings. There's fish right beneath them. They can't get too close. I don't want them to fall in and swept away with the tide. You can see the fish jumping over here, just mullet. Oh, what do you see? Is that an octopus, parrots? Coming off a sailboat? This is a massive sailboat. It's absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. Look at that.